This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Polaris Indy VR1 with the 650 engine. Starting at the front of the vehicle, you will see the front bumper and two side panels. Remove the left side panel to access the oil injection reservoir, driven clutch spreader tool, clutch assembly, spark plug socket, spare belt holder, spark plug holder on the back of the belt holder, and the fuse panel. Behind the right side panel, you'll find the headlight adjustment, pressure cap, coolant overflow bottle, brake system, battery, if equipped, battery charging port, exhaust silencer, and the chain case chain adjustment. The chain case fill plug is located in the right footwell. The front suspension contains the shock assembly and adjustments, control arms, tie rods, sway bar and links, spindles, skis, skags underneath the skis, and the Northwoods trails. Once on the seat, you'll see the 7S display, storage compartment behind the display, USB plug inside the storage compartment, the Big and Little Dipper, and the group ride antenna. The left handlebar contains the brake lever, parking brake, brake reservoir, back button, navigation buttons, select button, headlight dimmer switch, heater control, and the electronic reverse control. The right handlebar contains the engine run stop switch and throttle lever. The handlebars can be adjusted by loosening the four fasteners in the center. Below the handlebars are the key switch, intake screens, fuel cap, and the recoil handle. Underneath the seat, you'll find a storage compartment and the evolution of Polaris snowmobiles. Move to the rear suspension to find the front limiter strap, rail slide, front track shock and adjustments, rear track shock and adjustments, rear grease zerks, torsion spring adjustment, scissor stops, rear idler wheels, and rear idler adjustment. The VIN label is located on the right side of the vehicle, above the running board. The VIN is also stamped in the same location. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.